Hey y'all, I just wanted to kind of go over a little bit of the quarter and half past because I know that was confusing for some people. So when we're looking at this quarter past, quarter to, half past kind of situation, we're looking at the minute hands. So I'm just gonna go ahead and draw a minute hand here in green, and this one is going at the half past. So if we said it was like 1:30, my hour hand pointing between the 1 and the 2 because it's halfway. If it was half past, we would see that this minute hand, it's almost cutting the clock, like it's in half actually. You go like that too. So it is half past. All right, we don't usually say half to. I mean, some people do actually. So you can go either. Usually though we say half past. So what's interesting is once you get to half past, you're gonna start referring to which number is next. Right, so we'd be going to 2. So if we were at this 36, for example, the minute moved to, the 31. If the minute moved to 31, then all of a sudden we could say it's 29 minutes to 2. All right, but before you get to the half past, before you get there, everything is gonna refer back to the number of the hour that's happening, that you're in right then. Because when we're half past 1, we're still in that 1 hour, right? So we're at hour 1 and we're moving our way to 2 o'clock. So at 1 o'clock, we're moving our way to 2 o'clock. So we're half past, which means we're halfway to 2. But before you get to half past, you're always gonna refer back to that hour that you're in. So if I had, for example, my minute hand is pointing at the 4 here. I know that that's 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes. 20 minutes past 1, all right? I'm not gonna say it's 40 minutes to 2, usually, okay? You say 20 minutes past 1. So some of you, I want you to go ahead and look back at your worksheets because you had 51 minutes to 2 or something like that. And usually that's not what people would say. They would say, oh, it's 7 minutes, or it's 9 minutes past. So that's that. Now I want to go ahead and talk a little bit more about the quarter of the clock. So when we're looking at quarter past, it's going to be when it's pointing at the 3 there, because it's 15 minutes. Now maybe you're going, I don't understand why that's a quarter. Well, let me show you. If we put if it's quarter 2, it's going to be at the 9. So looking at the quarter past, quarter 2 that we use, it's kind of cutting the clock in half. Now if you remember before, the half, when we cut the clock in half, it was through this line here. And this is why it becomes quarter, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. So here we have from this 12 to the 3, so this 15 minutes here is 1/4 of our clock, or 1/4 of our clock. All right? And now this might still be confusing too because we haven't gone over fractions yet this year, and we'll do it. But I was just hoping that maybe some of you will look at this and it'll help you a little bit with why you say quarter 2. If you're still confused about it, I let some of you just go ahead and write the minutes down, right? If you want to say it's 15 minutes past or it's 15 minutes to, for now, because you find the quarter too confusing or the half past too confusing, that is fine, all right? Just go ahead and stick with the minutes. But if this helped you at all, then go ahead and try the quarter and the half past. So remember, everything from here is going to be past. Everything over here, you're going to start switching your language to 2.